Hey guys, this is Juan from team Sketch2React, and today I'm going to show you how to insert Bootstrap components that we don't yet support styling inside of Sketch. You know, we have a bunch of Bootstrap components that you can style in Sketch. This is not one of them that we have right now. So let's say you have made something and you want to just try it out. You can keep on styling it in code. You can reuse styles that you have done inside of Sketch2React and apply them to this. I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you need, of course, to download as HTML. In this case, it's the easiest one. So I've done that. It's here. Here is my file. We have some things here, button styles, and I open this up in Visual Studio Code. I drag the whole folder, so I have everything here, and this is just a demo, so let's make this really easy, just one file. So, first of all, let's open up the file index in Chrome, and you can, with Inspect element, just, you know this, with this one you can select things and you see what they are called in code. So let's say that we want to insert the Jumbotron here. So first we need to know what this thing is called. So here is the div. The div is rectangle 4813. So let's search for that in code. Here we are. So this row here we are going to take away and replace with the Jumbotron code. So in here we have the code for this one. Let's copy to clipboard. Let's go here and let's just take this away and insert the other one and save. We go to our file here, reload, and boom, here is the Jumbotron. Okay, let's now reuse these button styles. We don't want this one, so let's just make sure we know what this class is called. The class is button 56 blah 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 blah. Let's copy this class. Let's search for it in here. We have it down here, so that's the one. Cool. Now that we have this selected, we can just go to the, remember, here's the Jumbotron, and let's replace this Bootstrap component that is called button primary button LG large with our own style. So like that, save, and boom, we have this nice styly. That's it, guys. Cheers.